Back to my channel, All Things Yazz. I hope you guys are safe and well. In today's video, I have a double unboxing for you. So I have a Gucci item to unbox and a Chloe item to unbox. So if you're a fan of those brands, then I think you may like this video. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Yazz. But if you are a returning subscriber, then thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you guys. Honestly, you make my day. If you haven't yet subscribed, then please hit that subscribe button just down below. Give this video a massive thumbs up. Join the family, we would love to have you. Without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Okay guys, so my Gucci item, my exchange, finally arrived! Yay! So if you don't know the story, I purchased this item maybe 3 weeks ago now, and they're a pair of shoes. They arrived and they were too big. They were so big, and I'm a size 6 between a 5.5, so I vary depending on which brand. So Jimmy Choo, I'm a 5.5, and yeah, the 5.5 that I purchased were just way too big. So I exchanged them for a 5, not knowing that the exchange process can take up to 2 weeks. So recently, in most of my videos, I'm like, the unboxing is coming, it's just taking a while. And then there was this whole thing with my bank going, why are Gucci reimbursing you, then wanting to take the money out again? So it's just been a really weird process, but they're here now and they're absolutely gorgeous. I saw these on the Gucci website and instantly went to Net-a-Porter. Now, for those of you who don't know about Net-a-Porter, it's a great site where they sell loads of designer items, but the way that I love the site so much more is because they style up every single, well, most items. So you can see what it looks like in a very modern way, whilst looking at these shoes on the Gucci website, the model is dressed completely in Gucci, and sometimes I find it quite hard to envision how I would wear this pair of shoes. So I went on Net-a-Porter, had a look. They were sold out on there straight away. I was like, oh, I need to get these shoes. And they'd just done them in a really nice casual way, and I just thought, yeah, that's gonna work so well with my wardrobe. I absolutely love them so much. So without me rambling too much more, let's segue to the dramatic unboxing. Guys, so what do we think of this gorgeous designer trainer? I'm actually in love. It's the perfect white trainer. I love it so much. So this is the Women's Ace sneaker with the interlocking G. I love how minimalistic this trainer is with the perforated interlocking G. I like the low sole of it, and then just a subtle hint of colour with Gucci written in white on the back. These are ridiculously soft. When I was putting them on, I couldn't believe how soft the leather is. It's super smooth, and then they are ridiculously comfy. I just think these are gonna go with so much in my wardrobe, and the bottom is just detailed so lovely as well. If you can see that, I'll hopefully try and get it to focus. Look at that, it's just gorgeous. I love that. I love those added details. Then towards the back, we go into this kind of like ruffled kind of sole as well, which is really nice, but the toe's lovely. I love a nice rounded toe. The Jimmy Choo ones that I have, the Miami ones, are slightly more pointed, but I really like how rounded these are. Sorry, I have a lot of Jimmy Choo trainers, and these are my first Gucci pair, and it's hard not to compare. So a quick note on size guide. Now it does say that these are large on the website, so if you are, say, a 6 and don't really vary between that, then I'd go a full size down to a size 5. But if you're a bit like me and you're in between sizes, say between a 5.5 and a 6, then I'd go for the 5, because with thick socks on, the 5.5, my heel was still coming out, whilst with thick socks on with these, they fit perfectly. They're ridiculously comfy, and guys, I love them. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm going to style them up for you now and show you how I'd wear them, but I'd go for, say, a nice long maxi dress. These would look amazing in to like create more of a casual look. Some denim shorts and a nice t-shirt for summer. A nice floaty t-shirt and jeans, ripped jeans, and these as well. You can just wear these in so many ways, just because they're very classic and basic white trainer, and oh, I love them so much. They're just so beautiful. So beautiful. Right, next, on to the next designer item is my Chloe sunglasses. So I will just segue to the unboxing. Okay guys, so what do we think of those new sunglasses? Now I'll leave a link up above to my designer sunglasses collection, so if you're new you can go and check that out. I do explain that I have a bit of a habit of buying new sunglasses every summer, and this is this year's sunglasses purchase. It comes in this gorgeous cream leather box with Chloe on the front. It's really nice. I think that'll look lovely when you pull it out of your handbag in this box. Inside is the sunglasses and matching beige, I like to call them cleaners. They look cleaner. But what do we think of these? Really nice classic pair of sunglasses in my eyes. Nicely oversized square frame, and I think this is what I was missing from my sunglasses collection. Just something quite dark, minimalistic, can go with pretty much any outfit, and I really like them. On the side, I think it's on this side, we have Chloe. On the side, on the other side we don't, and then we also have this little section here, which is just a nice little detail, if it focuses, and it does have Chloe written on it, yeah, at the bottom. Now I've had mixed reviews when I sent a photo to my mum. She was like, a bit oversized. Will said they were nice, so guys, let me know in the comments down below whether I should keep or send back. What do we think? I really love this tortoise shell. It's just such a classic, you know, combination for sunglasses. And you'll never guess, these were half price. I put them in my wish list on Net-a-Porter quite a while ago, and the great thing about Net-a-Porter, if you have the app, it notifies you when they're low in stock. Went on and they were 50% off. 50% off in the sale, so it kind of like makes me want to keep them even more. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think of these. Do they suit me? Should I keep them? Again, let me know what you think of the Gucci trainers. They're definitely being kept, we all know that. If you are new to my channel, then I think you should go check out my trainers. I'll leave a link to that collection for you guys. I'm just crazy. I'm a crazy shoe and sunglasses person and bag person. Okay guys, and that concludes this unboxing video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Don't forget to stay tuned for another car showcase coming up on Sunday, and we're going to be doing a What's in My Bag travel edition next Thursday. So I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.